are watching Kiddos Kaleidoscope.
I have a tiny pet. You haven't met him yet. He jumps in puddles and gets very wet. Once he got tangled in a net, so I took him to the vet. It was the first time they met. He really liked the vet. My little pet plays the clarinet. He sleeps in a bed made of velvet. My pet from sunrise to sunset. Now I call him Jet. I love my pet. Chad and Brad are two bad lads, two bad lads, two bad lads. Chad and Brad are two bad lads, and it makes their dad sad. Their dad is sad, 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 sad. Their dad is sad, 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 and it makes them very sad. Chad and Brad say sorry dad, sorry dad, sorry dad. Chad and Brad say sorry dad, and now their dad is glad. That's the story of Chad and Brad, Chad and Brad, Chad and Brad. The story of Chad and Brad, who are now two nice lads. On a big ship, the ship moves fast, zip, zip, zip. Sailor Kip loves cookies, choco chip, chip. I love cookies, choco chip, chip. Juice, sip, sip, sip. I love my juice, sip, sip, sip. That's the story of the Sailor Kip on his big ship, 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 ship.
Huh?
He sees a loaf of bread and an apple so red. Ted loves red, so he eats the apple in bed. Ted slept in his bed, but he hasn't been fed. He's very hungry, poor little Ted, little Ted. He sees a loaf of bread, and an apple so red, Ted loves red, so he eats the apple in red. Red apple in bed. My name is Jim. I like to swim. My sister Kim also likes to swim. We like to swim. We like to swim. We like to swim. Swim, swim, swim. My name is Kim. I like to swim. My brother Jim also likes to swim. We like to swim. We like to swim. We like to swim. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, this is Kit. He loves the sand pit. He tried to sit on it, but his knee got hit. Ow, that hurt a bit. He gets the first aid kit, gets a bandage to fit. I'm alright now, says Kit. Oh, this is Kit.